I'll walk you through on how to access history in your Gemini AI account. By history, I mean accessing the things you previously did on your account. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Once your browser opens, visit gemini.google.com and log in if you're not logged in automatically. You can see the web link here, gemini.google.com. I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you're landed on a page that looks like this, take your cursor to this shape, which is library. Alright, click on that. This quickly displays some things you prompted on your account. For example, I started with this, then I started with music generation. So maybe I want to listen to the music again or download it again. I'll click on it, okay? So you can see that I can play it, and after that I may decide to download it, okay? So if I go back, you will see this one that I generated yesterday. If I have another ones I did yesterday, so if I click on this, you will see that same video and the prompts that gave me this. So from there, I can continue from where I stopped previously.
Why are you not at work today?
I got fired 2 days ago because I do not have AI skills.
If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.